In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube Shorts glitch problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to start with the most common fixes first. So the first fix is to force close and restart the application. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the three bars here and go ahead and click on close all and then restart the app. If you use an iPhone, swipe up, close YouTube completely and reopen it. Now the next fix is to go ahead and check your internet connection. So Shorts rely heavily on real-time loading. So switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also, we can go ahead and turn our airplane or flight mode on and off for 10 seconds. And if you're using a router, restart your router if on Wi-Fi. Now the next fix here is to clear cache. So this is for Android only. So you click onto YouTube, click onto scroll down, look for storage, go ahead and clear cache. So clear cache. Another fix we can try is go to our Play Store, click search, type in YouTube, make sure YouTube is up to date. So you can see I need to update it. So I'm going to click on update. Now, if you've got battery saver mode in the background or data saver, I want to go ahead and disable that. So swipe down a couple of times and then here it is here. So I'll swipe down again. So if power saving mode is turned on, go ahead and disable that. Another fix we can try is turn off any VPNs or ad blockers. So VPNs frequently cause short glitches. So disable VPNs, disable system-wide ad blockers and restart YouTube. Now, if we're still having issues, we can also go ahead and reinstall the application. So hold down the YouTube app, click on the click onto disable or force stop, and then go to your Play Store, re-download YouTube.